Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF bank or basically PDF based statement into CSV spreadsheet, right? So as you can see here, this is my PDF bank statement and I'm going to convert it into CSV spreadsheet. So you have to just go to Google, right? Once you're here into Google, just write here PDF to CSV spreadsheet converter, right? You can just write here and you will get a lot of the website here. So I just like this one. I love PDF. This is a really good website and I use a lot of time. It's completely free. So just tap it here, convert PDF to Excel, right? So here, once you tap into it, it will ask me to select a PDF file. So just click on it and here I'll select my PDF statement. And here, no need to buy any OCR or something premium. Just tap here, convert to Excel. So once here it's already done, yeah, it's take very few seconds of time, and just click on download Excel. So once it's done here, you have to just open it up, right? So guys, as you can see here that my PDF is converted into CSV file, and this was a right. So this is very easy thing to do. You can just change everything and it's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.